This is a meditation for relieving stress. We'll begin by sitting in any comfortable seat. Once you find your seat, close your eyes. Relax your face and relax your jaw. Sit up tall and roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Gently rest your hands on your knees. Begin to focus on your natural breath here. Notice the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe. Focus on the sensations of breathing. Notice the cool air as it enters through your nose and as it exits through your nose. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. On your exhale, open your mouth, sigh it out. Allow any tension to release from your body. Take another slow, deep breath in. Focus on the rise of your belly as you inhale. As you breathe out through your mouth, notice the fall of your belly. Take one more deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs. As you exhale through your mouth, allow any thoughts and any distractions to release from your mind. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. See if you can make the length of your inhales the same length as your exhales. Focus on nothing but your breath here. As you breathe in, allow your breath to calm your body. As you breathe out, bring peace into your body. As you continue to breathe in, you can say to yourself silently, breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I bring peace into my body. Repeat this mantra to yourself as you breathe deeply. Breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I bring peace into my body. Breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I bring peace into my body. Notice how when you begin to calm down your breath, you calm your body, which calms your mind. Continue to focus on your breath. As you breathe, notice the calming feeling your breath gives you. Notice your body relaxing as you breathe. As you continue to breathe deeply, Focus on feeling peace within your body. If you find your mind wandering from your breath, bring gentle awareness back to your breath. Use your breath as an anchor to guide you back here to the present moment. Take a slow inhale, counting to 3, and an exhale, counting to 3. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 1, 2, 3. Allow your breath to cleanse your mind of any distractions and guide you back to the present moment, the here and now. Take another full breath in, allowing your body to relax. As you breathe out, allow your breath to calm you. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing on your breath. Start to bring your awareness to the sensations of your body as you breathe. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Notice your muscles relaxing as you breathe. Take a slow, deep breath in, allowing your breath to calm you. Take a slow, deep breath out, allowing the breath to let go of any worries or any anxiety. Take a few moments here to connect with your breath. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and continue on with the rest of your day.